To connect your toothbrush to the Philips Sonicare app, start by downloading the official app from the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your phone runs iOS 1, 3, or later, or Android 8 and above. Before pairing, charge your toothbrush to at least 25% to avoid interruptions during setup. Open the app and sign in or create a Philips account. This allows your brushing data to sync and back up automatically. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the power button on your toothbrush for about 2 seconds until the Bluetooth light begins flashing. In the app, tap Add New Toothbrush and follow the on-screen steps to complete the connection. Compatible models include the Sonicare 9900 Prestige, Sonicare 9700 Expert Clean, Sonicare 6100 Protective Clean, Sonicare 4300 Protective Clean, and Bluetooth-enabled Sonicare for Kids versions. Once paired, the toothbrush reconnects automatically during future brushing sessions, providing real-time feedback and progress tracking through Bluetooth low-energy technology. If pairing fails, confirm Bluetooth is enabled, restart your phone, or reset the toothbrush by holding the power button for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes. Keeping the app updated also improves stability and security.